Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this Harley Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 17,398 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts, installed the new front tire, and both rear tires are at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted a rocker box seat and a front brake pulsation. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a crack in the floorboard plastics, paint chipping on the rear fender, a stress crack on the rear fender, and a scrape on the lower rear fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, one key, and one fob. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with smoke turn signals, a luggage rack, rear fender trim, rear fender mud flaps, and a fuel door cover. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.